Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you how I created this beautiful shaker card featuring the new A2 card box add-on flowers. So there has been in the past a box that you can create in the most beautiful way, and there also been an add-on this past fall that was really beautiful with a bunch of leaves, and now there is this dainty beautiful white flower that I created it in. I have seen the design team use pattern papers that has been just gorgeous, but I wanted mine to be a shaker, so I kept it quite simple on the outside and just some pink cardstock to the back and some really effective embellishments. The embellishments are from Picket Fence Studios, and it's just one of those trays that I had, and I used some foam from my stash. This is actually from Happy Doodle, I think they are not around anymore, but I believe the foam was from them. It's quite thick, this foam, perfect for shakers, and it's quite narrow, and it comes on this big jar or roll, I should say. It was quite hard to get off the release paper, is my only complaint, but it was doable, but it took some time just to peel those off. And you can see when I am done with this, I'm really struggling with this one, I could fill up my shaker. And I also had this carrot mini album that I cut some gold bunnies out of, and then I could take this embellishment mix. It's butterflies and flowers and sequins and all the goodies inside of that, so it really gives it a ton of interest. And then I also filled it up with some clear bubbles. These are really good for shakers because they really shake around a ton, and it also splits up my sequins, so I like to fill up my shakers with a bit of those. And then I thought I would go to have a pattern paper, but I decided when I looked at it, how it looked, that I needed to have a solid pink cardstock because it was very busy with the pattern paper that I had chosen for the background. And when I'm done with this, I can flip it around and you can see how the shaker looks. I created, this is not an A2 standard card size, it's one that I made up. I don't even know how big it is. It's just bigger than this A2 cover frame. So maybe 6 by 6.5 or something like that. Or 6 by 5.5. I don't know. I didn't measure it, but it's larger than the standard A2 size card front. Off camera, I cut the beautiful Love Bundle nested die set out of some pattern paper and the same paper as I used for the background. I also created a sentiment that says celebrate, and I believe it's from the Easter words number 1. I also created some dainty butterflies. These are from the butterfly set that was released this month. I'm just cutting off the body of these, and I have 2 of them created. I will use some foam, of course. If you follow my channel, you know dimension is everything for me. So I created a bunch of dimension between my layers of my butterfly. So you can see I'm keeping the dimension part only to the center of the butterflies, just because I know I will be able to hide the adhesive there when I am putting on the gold body. So you can see how cute this is turning out. And you can see they are different sized because they come two connected, and I just wanted to save some time. So I have the smaller and the slightly larger butterfly body there. Just super cute with the vellum, and I think that ties in nicely with the quite busy pattern paper that I chose for the background of my centerpiece here, and also just to tie in with the rest of the project here. And of course I needed to have some dimension on the back of my tag here. So some more foam squares, I'm just peeling those off, putting it in the inside. Then we have our butterflies. And in this beautiful A2 card box add-on flower set, there is this separate, or actually there's 2 similar branches. and I used some liquid glue to the back of these and some gold paper that I just cut out of scraps, and I'm attaching those to the behind or the back of the flowers, so I will have some gold centers to my flowers. Hope this makes sense. I think it turned out super sweet, and I can place them one at the bottom and one at the top, so the butterfly and the flower team are sort of connected here throughout my project. If I had known how much I would have loved these gold accents, I probably would have been a little bit cray-cray and done it for the frame as well. Now it was already attached, so I couldn't like rip it apart because I would ruin the whole project. But if I would do it again, I would definitely put some gold behind those. So thank you so much for stopping by today and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created this large shaker. I will have the products that I used in this video listed down below, and I will see you soon. Bye!